CISC 190 if-else video, if-else chain. The purpose of this method is to create a red band, a green band, and a blue band in an image. You see the original here, and the image that it's the manipulation has been applied to the image in the second picture on the right. I'm going to close those out. So we have a few different variables declared. Pixel RGB initialized to null. We have two loops, a for loop. We have two for loops, an outer and inner loop. We have initialized the x variable in the outer loop, the y variable in the inner loop. In our statements, in the second part of the statement, for loop, we're evaluating whether it's greater than or less than the width. In the inner loop, we're evaluating whether the y is less than the height of the image. So in the body of the inner loop, we have set the pixel RGB to this .getPixel x and y, and then we're going to get into our if statements. So the first if statement will operate if x is less than this .getWidth divided by 3. So that's going to be the first third of the image. If this statement evaluates as true, then the red value of pixel RGB XY will be set to 255. If the if value on line 638 is not true, then we will move to the else if statement here, wherein we have set x to be greater than or equal to a third of the width and x being less than 2/3 of the width of the image. If that is so, then the pixel RGB XY, the green value will be set to 255. However, if the x is not less than a third, less than 2/3 of the image, the next else statement will execute and the pixel RGB, the blue value, will be set to 255. So I'm not sure what else to say about the code other than when I look at the if-else statements and I branch it out, I believe I have 3 branches. So the first if statement, if the x is less than a third of the width, we're going to set the red value to 255. If it is not true, then we move to the second branch of the else if chain. If x is greater than or equal to a third of the image size and also less than 2/3 of the image size, we're going to set pixel RGB, we're going to set the green value to 255. If that is not the case, if R does not fulfill both parameters of this AND statement, then we will move to the third branch of the if-else chain and we'll automatically set the remaining pixels in the image. We'll set the blue value to 255. And then the method completes. Thank you very much. Have a great day.